Welcome back to the Flight Deck Future Aviators. I'm Captain Aero. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the most requested topic on this channel. If you have ever looked up at a jet and wondered, how do I get there? This video is for you. We are breaking down the CPL roadmap in India with full detail. Getting your commercial pilot license is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, money, and extreme focus. Let's start with the absolute first hurdle. Step 1. The medicals. I cannot stress this enough. Do not spend a single rupee on flight schools until your body is cleared by the DGCA. Imagine spending lakhs on ground school only to find out you're medically unfit later. It happens and it's heartbreaking. Start with Class 2. The Class 2 medical is done by DGCA authorized private doctors. It's a general checkup to ensure you have no major disqualifying conditions. Once Class 2 is clear, you move to Class 1. This is rigorous and conducted at Air Force centers like IAM Bangalore or AFCME New Delhi. With your medicals in hand, we look at the books. The DGCA has very specific academic requirements for CPL aspirants. You must have passed 10+2 with physics and mathematics. If you didn't, don't worry. There's a widely used workaround. Arts and commerce students, listen up. You can clear physics and maths through NIOS. It's fully recognized by the DGCA. NIOS offers on-demand exams, so you can study at your own pace and appear whenever you're ready. This is a game changer for many. Step 3. Ground School. This is where most students struggle. You need to clear 5 major theoretical papers conducted by the DGCA. First, you need a computer number. Think of this as your permanent ID in the eyes of the DGCA. Register on the eGCA portal immediately. The Big 5: Air Navigation, Meteorology, Air Regulations, Technical General, and Technical Specific. Each requires a 70% score. And don't forget the RTR Aero exam. This is all about radio telephony, how you speak to air traffic control. It's a separate vital license. You can join a ground school academy or self-study. My recommendation? Join a reputed ground school to understand the concepts deeply. Now for the fun part, Step 4, Flying. To get your CPL, you need to log exactly 200 hours of flight time. But it's not just random flying. 100 of those hours must be as pilot in command. This includes your solo flights where you are the master of the aircraft. No instructor, just you. You'll also need 50 hours of cross-country flying, including a 300 nautical mile trip with landings at 2 different airports. Plus, night flying experience. Should you train in India or go abroad? India takes longer, but you save on conversion. Abroad is faster, but requires a license conversion later. Expect this journey to take 18 to 24 months. Weather, aircraft availability, and exam schedules all play a role. Patience is a pilot's best trait. Step 5. Let's talk money. Aviation is expensive, and you need to be prepared for the financial commitment of a CPL in India. Your CPL alone will cost between 40 to 50 lakh rupees. This covers your aircraft rentals, fuel, instructor fees, and ground school. Step 6. The type rating. Having a CPL only lets you fly small planes. To fly an A320 or a B737 for an airline, you need a type rating. This is 6 to 8 weeks of intense simulator training where you learn every button and emergency procedure for a specific commercial jet. A type rating adds another 15 to 20 lakh. So 0 to airline ready is a total investment of roughly 65 to 70 lakh rupees. It's a huge investment, yes, but the office view is unbeatable, the responsibility is immense, and the career is incredibly rewarding. Every senior captain started exactly where you are today, asking how. Now you have the roadmap. The only question is, are you ready? If you want me to break down air navigation or meteorology in detail, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm here to help you fly. Comment wings if you're starting your journey today. Let's build the next generation of Indian pilots together. I'm Captain Aero, clear for takeoff.